All right, I'll start sharing my screen and let's start with our So, can you see my screen, guys? Kita naman po yung screen ko. Kita naman po. Kita, no? Yes, okay. All right. Let's start. Okay, it's already 7 p.m. So let's start with our review for our examinations is coming May 18 or this coming Saturday, no? Next Saturday pala siya. So, and also for May 11, sino po ba dito yung mag-exam this coming Saturday? Sino yung mag-exam this coming Saturday? Meron ba? Ayun, si Brian. Okay, so start na tayo na para malapit na yung exam mo. So, this coming Saturday na. So, good luck and God bless. So, first and foremost, no, I just would like to introduce myself. My name is FWM Giancarlo Rosario, and I am the unit manager of Team Gene. And I will be facilitating our review for the examination, IZ examinations is coming Saturday and May 18 para alam natin yung mga discarded natin on how to do the review. So, ang pinaka-basic lang nito talaga is that when we are reviewing, this reviewer is wag nating isipin masyado yung mga questions because ang pinaka-discarte lang talaga dito is to memorize the answers para sa mga questions. So, wag nating i-overthink yung mga questions natin dito because nung time ko kasi when I was having my review, yung ginawa ko lang talaga is I got only the um, keywords from each question and keywords from each answers. So yun lang yung ginawa ko before kasi nga yung advice sa amin before was to not overthink kahit na hindi nyo naintindihin yung mga questions, basta i-memorize lang natin kung ano yung mga sagot sa mga questions natin dito. Okay? So, what do I mean by this? So, isa-isahin natin sila lahat. So, let's say for example, itong question number 1. Ang question dito is variable life insurance policy owners may make withdrawals in terms of. Okay? So, pwede nating gawin yung keywords dito. Ano kaya pwedeng keywords dito? No? So, pwede nating keywords dito is variable life insurance. And then tingnan natin kung ano pwedeng keywords natin dito sa answer ng number 1, which is number of units through the cancellation of units. No? So, pwede natin dito, since dalawa sila dito, or pwede natin gawin is the shortest one. No? Shortest answer. So, ganyan lang. No? So, number 2, which of the following statements about the flexibility features of the variable life policies is false? So since it's false, pwede nating i-keyword dito false, no? False, and then let's look for a keywords para sa answer na letter B. So ano yung pwede nating i-ano dito? Keywords. So yung wala dito sa apat na choices na answers. So let's say for example, itong withdrawal value of their policies. So as you can see here, wala dito sa mga ibang answers, ibang choices yung itong withdrawal value of their policies. So pwede nating ilagay dito sa question number 2, false, and then dash withdrawal value of policies. Gets po ba? Nagigets ba natin? What I mean? Sige nga. Nagigets ba natin, guys? Or ganito din ba yung ginagawa nyo? Or iniintindi nyo siya per question? Sige nga. Gets ba yung strategy ni UMG? Tayin ko. Gets po. Gets po. Yes po. Ayan. Ganito din ba yung ginagawa nyo? Ganito ba yung advice sa inyo? No? To not really understand, the questions or not overthink, but just to memorize all the answers of the questions. Okay. So let's say for example, okay, proceed tayo sa number 3. Meron na namang false. So pwede pa rin dito false, no? Statement is false. Tapos yung ilagay natin dito is pwede itong form of twisting. Kasi itong form of twisting na to, wala to siya sa ibang choices. 'Di ba? Mas madali na siya sa atin i-memorize yung mga questions with answers. So false, tapos dash, specific form or form of twisting. Pwede ito siya, form of twisting. So usually yung kinukuha ko lang dito sa mga uh, keywords ko is usually the start of the question or the last of the question. And then para sa answers naman is kung ano yung unique na words na nandun sa answers or sa choice na which is the answer. Okay? So question number 4, what is the most valuable investment instrument for an investor who is interested protecting his principal and receiving a steady stream of income? So ano dito pwede nating keywords para sa question. Sige nga. Kaya kindly type in kung ano yung pwede nating income. Okay. Income. Tapos paano yung Joel, yung keywords for the answer. So income dash ano yung answer. Oh. So ito madali lang siya kasi parang ano lang siya eh. Yon, fixed, 'di ba? Income tapos fixed. Pag nakita niyo na yung income tapos may fixed, yun na yun siya. Okay, good. Kasi nakaka-follow tayo. So another one. Meron na ulit tayong false dito. Twisting is false. Ano yung pwede nating dito? I keywords for the twisting is false. Oh. So lahat dito wala silang purchase of policy. Purchase a policy. So, ito yung gagawin ko na keywords for the answer. No? Purchase a policy. Twisting is false. Purchase a policy. Diba? Mas madali na siyang tandaan. Okay? So, number 6. Number 6. Okay. So, number 6, can I have a volunteer kung ano yung pwede natin gawing keywords for the question and keywords for the answer? Sige nga. Mr. Juan de la Cruz is currently earning 30,000 per month. He is 35 years old and he has a reasonable amount of savings. He has a moderate level of risk tolerance. What kind of policy would you recommend for him to buy? Sige nga. Moderate risk tolerance, okay? And whole life. Ganon, di ba? Very good, Gladys. So, ganyan lang tayo mag-review for the variable, no? Sobrang easy lang and dapat wag natin masyadong i-overthink. Okay? Sige. Isa-isayin natin dito. Number 7, a unit trust is. So, ano yung pwede nating dito sa a unit trust? No? So, as you can see here, no, lahat sila is walang not share in the company. So, pwedeng ganun. A unit trust, not share in the company. So, ganun, no? So, pwede nating ilista na ngayon na everyone kung ano yung mga keywords natin na madali nating yun, trust itself. Pwede din, no? So, ganyan, no? Kung ano yung mabilis nating matandaan sa isang question, tapos, ilista na natin siya. No? So, number 8. So, which of the following best describes the policy benefits of variable life policies. Okay. Ano sa tingin dito? Variable life policies. So, lahat sila dito, wala din silang underlying assets. So, pwede nating variable life policies, underlying assets. No? So, variable life policies dash underlying assets. So, pwedeng ganon yung natin, keywords natin for this question. Okay? Number 9. Why is it important that the customer must understand the sales proposals in full? Bakit kaya? No? So, dito, pwede natin proposal in full, and then, ang natin dito, keywords is yung end din as well, which is solely by the customer. Kasi itong phrase na to ang wala sa ibang choices. Diba? So, proposal in full, solely by the customer. Yan, pwedeng ganyan. Okay? Number 10. Which one of the following statements is false? So, false ulit. No? Statement is false. So, ano dito yung unique na choice? Anong choice dito ang unique? May unique na words. So, sige nga. Ano sa tingin nyo ang pwede nating mas madali lang na maintindihan o madaling matandaan? Okay. Statement is false. Statements is false. Sige nga. Anong pwede natin gawing keywords for this one? Yan. Which one of the following statements is false? Ano? So, pwedeng yung end pa din. Kasi itong performance of life of the life company is wala din siya dito. Diba? Tama ba? O, wala siya. Itong last phrase, performance of the life company. So, pwedeng ganun lang. Okay. Number 11. So, isa-isahin natin lahat ng mga pwede nating i-keywords dito. Which of the following statements about the option of top up under variable life insurance is false? False ulit. So, ano ang pwede nating ilagay dyan? Is false. So, ang nakalagay dito, unique ulit yung life insurance policies. Kasi wala siya sa iba. Diba? Life insurance policies. So, false is false life insurance policies. Okay? Okay, number 12. Investing in bonds offer the following except. So, yan. Pwede rin top up life insurance policies. Yan. So, following except, no? So, ito, madali lang to. So, keywords natin dito is except. And then, yung pwede nating i-keywords is itong capital appreciation. So, pwedeng ganon. Except capital appreciation. So, pagtatandaan natin yung mga keywords natin per question, alam na agad natin kung ano yung ipapartner niya para sa answer. Okay? Number 13. Except ulit, no? Investing in bonds offers the following advantages except. Except. So, nakalagay ulit dito, capital appreciation. No? Same with number 12. So, capital appreciation. Yan. Number 14, variable life funds can be invested in any financial instrument, including cash funds, bond funds, equity, property, specialized funds, and diversified funds and equity funds. Equity funds is another one, capital appreciation ulit. Diba? So, pwede ulit natin dito is equity funds, capital appreciation. Pulo capital appreciation. So, pag nakita ninyo na yung mga keywords sa question, tapos nakita nyo yung capital appreciation, sure na yung capital appreciation na answer. Right? So, 15, single premium variable life insurance policy following and advantages except equity funds. Ayan. All capital appreciation. Correct. So, tama yan. Gladys, ganyan yan. No? So, kanya-kanyang diskarte talaga kung ano yung mga pwede nating gawing keywords for this one. Yung madali nating matandaan agad. No? So, pwede nyo i-follow kung ano yung i-advise ko sa inyo na keywords. Pwede nyo din namang hanapan ng sarili nyong keywords. Okay? Single premium variable life insurance policy. Ang unique dito is minimum death benefit. Ayan. So, life insurance policy, minimum death benefit. So, ganyan. Okay? Which of the following statements about benefits in variable life funds is false? Ayan, ulit yung is false. Yan. Is false ulit. Funds is false. So, ano dito yung unique. Unique ulit yung last phrase niya. Risk of investment portfolios. Risk of investment portfolios. So, ganun lang po yung ginagawa ko. Is false, risk of investment portfolios or investment portfolios. 17, which the switching facility under variable life insurance policy is very useful. Very useful, policy owners. Ba? Very useful dash policy owners. Ganon. So, ganon ka lang. Mas madali siyang tandaan. So, true about cash. True about cash. Cash flow requirement. True about cash. Cash flow requirement. So, ganyan lang. So, 19. Which of the following statements about surrender value under traditional participating life insurance products is true? So, is true. Pag is true, so ayan, no? Madali, sobrang dali lang kasi unique yung last phrase ng answer ng choice, which is lower at older ages. Lower at older ages. True, lower at older ages. 20. Which of the following statements about risk of investing in variable life funds is true? True ulit. So ano ulit dito? So pansin nyo, ang last phrase ulit is unique. So product over the long term. True, product over the long term. Diba? Madali lang. So, hindi lang natin pa-complicate natin yun or wag lang tayo masyadong overthink ng mga mga questions. So, is everyone still following? Clear pa din ba ang diskarte? Kamusta ang diskarte ni UM Jean for the review? Helpful ba? Thank you, Gladys. How about the others? Si Gladys lang yung valedictorian ata natin dito. How about the others? Ayan, Juliana, Alvaro. Okay. Yes po, yes po. So, sa tingin nyo ba mas madali yung ganitong diskarte or ginagawa nyo na to? Sino yung gumagawa na ng ganitong klase diskarte for the review? Ayan, si Gladys. Of course, si Gladys. Ayan, di ba? Si Shells. Ayan. No? Yan, si Brian din. Okay, good, di ba? Para mas madali yung buhay natin sa pag-review. Okay, sige. Let's proceed. Number 22, objectives. Nice strat, I'm learning to. Okay. So, ayan. Thank you, Gladys. So, 22, pwede natin objectives is false or false pa din. So, dito, yung end niya is still unique. No? Guaranteed returns. Or pwede natin high guaranteed returns. So, false dash high guaranteed returns. Yun. Number 23. Pwede natin dito, do not include. Do not include. Tapos, yung pwede natin keywords for this one is unit trust itself. No? Do not include unit trust itself. Yan. 24. Okay. The selling price under variable life insurance policy is, no? So, dito, ang answer is by the life company. No? Sale by the life company. So, dito si isa life insurance company. Pero yung answer dapat is by the life company. Okay? Yan. Life insurance policy is dash by the life company. Yan. Okay? 25. Policy fee payable by variable life insurance policy owner is to cover. So, pwedeng owner or is to cover. Then, ang pwede natin ilagay is, ayan. Ito medyo ano to? Medyo hindi unique kasi may dalawang life insurance policy. So, ano yung pwede nating ilagay dito para maging unique yung answer? Hindi to siya yung exact sequence, Gladys, kasi sa examination is naka-mix yung yung items. So, meron ding makaswerte na itong mismong set na to is nakukuha ng ibang examinees. Pero usually ito siya is naka-shuffle, no? Naka-shuffle siya. Okay? So, dapat yes, same sets of questions pero naka-shuffle lang yung questions natin. So, kailangan dapat matandaan natin yung mga uh, questions and answers. Pero yung mga questions nito and also the set of choices for the answers are the same. The items, nasa-shuffle lang siya. Okay? Kaya dapat importante na alam natin yung mga keywords natin. So, 25, policy owner is to cover. Owner is to cover. So, pwede natin dito is administrative expenses kasi ito yung unique sa lahat. Yan. Okay, diversification in investment involves. So, meron ulit siyang meron ulit kasame na categories of investment dito. So, pwede nating ilagay is reducing the risk. Hindi, meron pa rin siya. So, reducing the risk by putting one fund manager under management into several categories of investments. So, pwede natin siyang gawin dito is one fund under management or one fund, itong one fund. Kasi ito lang ata yung walang ito yung pinaka-unique na phrase. Itong one fund, no? Diversification, one fund. Okay? Yan. Best describe variable life, no? Pwede nating ilagay si value of investment. Ay, meron palang value of investment. So, pwede nating ilagay si, okay, it is flexible premium policy with returns that will vary the underlying value of investment. So, pwede nating ilagay dito it is a flexible premium policy with return that vary. That vary dapat. So, it is flexible premium policy return that will vary. Okay? Alright. So, proceed tayo sa next part, no? Sa next part na itong, yan. Flexible will vary. Okay, thank you. Ayan. So, dito naman tayo sa medyo nakakalito na part, no? Itong ganito na hahanapin natin kung ano yung mga tamang choices within the choices. Okay? So, ang may diskarte din po tayo dito, no? For, let's say for example, the investments return under variable life insurance policy. Okay? So, hahanapin natin dito yung mga tama, no? So, since ang tama dito is si 1, 3, and 4, ang ginagawa namin dito ay tinatandaan namin kung ano yung wala sa tama, which is si number 2, no? So, ang magiging keyword natin dito is variable life insurance policy tapos dash are assured. Gets ba? Gets ba yung ganitong klaseng yan, 'di ba? So, hahanapin lang natin yung naiiba. Kasi usually, isang choice lang yung hindi kasali sa lahat ng tamang choices. Okay? So, example number 2. Ito naman. No? So, tatlo siya, di ba? So, which of the following statements is true? So, yung except dito is except si number 2. No? Which is si time of surrender. True time of surrender. Okay? Gets ba? Tama ba? Oh, tama. Kasi walang ibang time of surrender. Diba? So, basta everyone, pag umabot na kasi ganitong klaseng format ng question, switch agad natin yung discarded natin. Yung hahanapin natin is yung hindi na bebelong sa lahat ng choices. So, ibig sabihin nito, everyone, ang kailangan nating hanapin na keywords is yung keyword ng hindi kasali sa choices. Okay? So, true time of surrender. Yes, tama. Gladys, tama. Yan. So, number 3 and 31. Which of the following statements is true ulit? No? So, except for number 2. So, true cost of the policy. Yan. Kasi ito lang yung wala sa tatlong choices. Okay? So, isa pang example. What are the disadvantages of investing in common shares? Common shares, so ang pwede natin ilagay dito is si fixed rates or si dividends. No? So pag nakita na natin tong common shares or kung ano man yung gagawin natin na keyword dito, hanapin agad natin yung keyword ng hindi nabibilong sa tamang answer, which is si dividends or si fixed rates. Diba? Ganun lang. Para hindi na tayo kasi kadalasan yung mga examinees ko nagtatanong, um, oh, yes, tama yung ganyan, no? Kasi minsan kasi yung mga previous na examinees ko, ino-overthink talaga nila yung mga mga questions. So nire-research pa talaga nila, nagtatanong pa sila, meron ka bang meron ka bang parang material para dito para gusto ko maintindihan. So itong mga ganito, no, as what I've said, huwag tayo mag-overthink kasi ang importante lang talaga dito is mapasa natin yung exam. Okay? So policies are false. So yung except number 2 ulit dito. So yung pwede nating ilagay na keyword is account driven. Diba? False account driven. Okay? Yan. 34. So except, so ito, since wala siya, 1, 2, and 3 ang tamang answer, so pag nilagay natin dito na variable life funds, ang ilagay nyo na dash is all. No? Kasi walang mali eh. So variable life funds, all. No? Ibig sabihin, pag all, 1, 2, and 3 na. Which is letter B. Gets ba itong number 34? Gets po ba? Pag all of the above yung tama. Gets ba? Gets ba? Sana pa gets. Yan. Okay. Ulit daw. Okay. So number 34, what are the benefits variable when investing in the variable life funds? So kung napapansin nyo dito, wala siyang mali. Wala siyang mali. So ang ilalagay natin dito, instead of the keyword para sa mali, ang idadash natin is pwede nating all of the above or all are correct. No? Para ang each choice natin, bibiligan natin is si letter B, 1, 2, and 3. Gets? Gets, gets, gets? Got it. Okay, good. So number 35. Okay, yan. So ito ulit, di ba? Oh. Ito, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ayan. Kung 1, 2, and 3, and 4 dito, no, ang diskarte naman natin dito, guys, is that maghahanap tayo ng keywords naman. Kung ano sa tingin nyo, keywords ng tama or keywords ng mali. Para mas madali sa inyong matandaan. No? Under life insurance policies. So kayo na mamimili dito kung ano, since 50% dito is yung tama and 50% is mali for these choices. So pwede niyang gawin dito, hanap kayo ng isang keyword sa isang tama. Kung gusto niyo na yung lahat ng tamang sagot yung ipiliin niyo for the keywords, pwede niyo kayong keyword sa isang tama, tapos magkakama kayo, tapos keyword ulit ng isang tama. Para pag nahanap niyo yung mga keywords nyo dito, no, ito yung sasagutin. Okay? For me, tama. Ayan. Ayan. Okay? Para uniform tayo. Pag ganito, tama. No? Yung yung one choice lang na mali, yun lang yung pang mali. Pero pag mga 50% na ganito, tama na yung keywords natin. Okay? Yes. All right. So another example before we proceed sa next na ano natin sa next exam. The benefits of investing in variable life funds include, okay. Sige nga. Ano yung pwede nating ano natin dito? Keywords. Variable life funds include and then except for number 4. Except for number 4. No kaya? Yeah. High initial investment. Yung tama, no? So, variable life funds include high initial investment. Yan, di ba? So, mas madali na sa atin lahat matandaan kung ano yung mga answers ng mga tanong pag nag-keywords lang tayo. Because yan yung experience ko before when I was reviewing. Pero syempre, kanya-kanya naman tayo ng diskarte o kanya-kanya tayo ng kung asan tayo mas comfortable kung paano tayo mag-review for this kind of exam. Pero ito siya, commonly, ganito din yung ginagamit uh, sa mga pag nagtuturo ako for the review. Okay? So, clear ba tayo lahat dito sa variable? Kasi dito madalas medyo mahirap to siya kasi nga nakakalito yung set of questions lalo na itong dito na part. No? Okay na ba tayo dito? Okay ba tayo? Yan. Type clear. Kung clear sa inyong lahat before we proceed sa next. Here. 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 So, pwede po patingin 1 and 2. Anong 1 and 2, Gladys? What do you mean by 1 and 2?
Hello, Sir Jean.
Hello?
Hi, good evening. Ang naabutan ko po is number 3 na
Number
cut.
3 na. Okay,
Opo,
right.
opo.
So, wala ka bang copy
Nag-record
nitong ano
like
natin?
website. Yeah, although I have po,
Ayan,
pero
ayan.
mabilis lang po.
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Um,
Ayan. So, pwede
okay.
dito, variable life insurance policy owners may make withdrawals in terms of. So, withdrawals in terms of, pwede nating, kasi hindi unique yung ano eh, hindi unique yung cancellation of units. So, pwede natin dito is, ito na sila lahat. Kasi short lang naman siya eh. Number of unit or the shortest. Yung pala sabi ko, yung shortest. So, number 2, variable life policies is false. So, false. So, ang unique dito is value of their policies. A value of their policies. Okay? Okay na tayo sa variable. Let's proceed na sa traditional. Okay? Traditional na tayo. Traditional. Okay. Can you see my screen, guys? Kita naman po ang screen ko.
Yes.
Thank you. Ayan. So, proceed na tayo sa traditional natin. Ito sa traditional na mas madali yung exam actually dito, no? To be honest. Kasi nga, wala siyang katulad doon sa reviewer natin sa variable. So, ito mas more on, ano na talaga siya, para siyang identification and mas maraming unique, mas madalas unique yung mga keywords natin dito sa mga choices. So, mas madali siya actually tandaan. Okay? Number 1, so both endowment and term life policies provide that. So, ito, nandito na agad, specific period. So, pwede natin ilagay dito endowment, both endowment and then specified period. Okay? So, number 2, indicate which of the following is not a function of an application for life insurance policy. So, pwede natin dito, not a function. Not a function. Tapos, ang nilagay natin is obtain insurance. Diba? Not a function dash obtain insurance. Mas madali. So, dito, madali lang din. So, isipin na lang natin itong estate tax liability. Ito na agad yung keyword natin. And then, ito na agad yung answer. Absolute assignee. So, estate tax liability dash absolute assignee. Okay? Number 4. So, a policy where an irrevocable beneficiary has been designated the insured without the beneficiary's permission. So, without the beneficiary's permission, pwede nating ilagay, yan, discontinue premium payment. Ito na agad. No? Ito na agad. Para mas madali nating matandaan. No? So, number 5. What are the basic settlement options? Settlement options, unique ulit yung interest on deposit. No? Settlement option, interest on deposit. Okay? Kasi parehas lang kasi yung ano answers na mga ano, yung I mean yung choices, same lang din ang order nila. Same lang yung order nila. So, tandaan pa rin natin yung keywords dito. Pero mas madali actually itong sa dito sa traditional natin. Okay? An insurance company generally has the right to rescind a life insurance policy if, so pwede dito yung rescind kasi ito yung word na unique. Rescind. Tapos, ang pwede natin ilagay dito is, pwedeng itong time of application. Kasi yung sa, hindi naman siya, unique naman siya sa lahat ng choices. Rescind, time of application. Okay? Number 7. Insurance agents be licensed through license fees. Diba? Through license fees. So, agents be licensed through license fees. Ganun lang. Number 8, no? In the event that the policy owner elects the paid up insurance option, so pwedeng paid up insurance option, tapos ang answer natin is reduced amount of coverage. Last, reduced amount of coverage. Okay? Mas madali ba? Mas madali ba tong ano dito? Yan. So, pwede na pong umexit yung mga variable lang, no? Yung mga variable na, ano lang, na policy, na exam. Okay? Okay. Okay, next. 9. 9 is, provided the insured, provided the insured evidence of insurability. Diba? Kasi unique siya sa lahat. Or pwede insurability. Pero kung gusto niyo na mas matandaan, you have evidence of insurability. Okay? Yan. Okay. Meron pa dito. Ito madali lang to kasi tandaan na natin. Ano ba pwede natin i-keyword dito? Yung paid is known as policy or known as policy dash universal life. Known as policy dash universal life. 11, disability waiver of premium rider. So false daw. So pwedeng while disabled. While disabled. Okay? So pwede itong disability waiver of premium rider and then while disabled. While disabled. I mean. Yan. Number 12, information requested as data which or requested is data which. Requested is data which. So pwede natin dito ilagay is insurability of the applicant. Or kung gusto nyo shortcut pa talaga, ay hindi, kasi may applicant dito eh. May applicant sa letter A, so ang ilalagay nyo talaga dyan is insurability of the applicant. Right? Para sa number 12. So paid up additions. Paid up additions, pwede dito cash value of the policy. Kailangan may cash value of the policy kasi meron pang value of the policy to lahat. Ay, hindi. Lahat dito. So, don't affect the loan or cash. Don't affect the loan or cash value of the policy. No? So, dapat natandaan yung don't affect. Number 14, uh, the total life coverage or increase through the use of supplemental term rider. Ito na siya agad. Kasi short lang naman yung answer dito. So, pwede nyo agad siyang tandaan. 15. No? Loss of probability in order to. So, dito, unique ulit yung last phrase niya, which is members of a given group. So, pwede ito siya yung ano natin. So, ganyan no, pag madali lang naman or unique yung first or last phrase of the answer, yun na agad yung ano natin, ilagay natin as keywords. Kasi mas madali siya matandaan. Doon lang tayo maghanap ng unique na words pag same yung first and last part of the answer. Right? So, number 16, the policy owner may, so dito, so higher premium. Policy owner may higher premium. Yan lang. 20. Yan. So, ano yung pwede nating ano dito kasi medyo mahaba siya. So, the agent issued a bidding receipt under such receipt, the insurance company. So, the insurance company, pwede ditong application is declined. Yan. Application is declined. The insurance company dash the application is declined. Yan. Next, endowment life insurance and term life insurance are similar in both plans. So, pwede natin ilagay dito endowment life insurance or both plans for the keyword for the question. And the answer would be policy contract. Policy contract. Pag nakita nyo na yan agad doon sa choices na may policy contract, lagay nyo agad yung answer na letter C. 19. Yan. An agent who determines a prospect or pwede na correct selling approach correct selling approach known as total need selling. Diba? Okay, can I have a volunteer for number 20? So ano yung pwede nating i-ano dyan? I-keyword dyan. Yan. Specified period extended. Yes. Diba? Lang. So dito din, madali lang kasi sobrang short lang ng answer dito, no? Which option do you recommend? So hanap tayo dito, tapos interest options. Ito naman, the extent of medical evidence required is determined by, so extent or pwede natin ilagay dito medical evidence, sum to be insured. Medical evidence, sum to be insured. Yan. 23, pressure selling, madali lang. So hanapin lang natin dito yung pwede natin ilagay sa keywords for the question. Tapos yung answer would be pressure selling. Ito din, madali lang kasi government tax records yung answer. So hanap tayo dito agad ng pwede natin so pwede natin dito ilagay applicant accept, tapos government tax records. Answer. Yan. So, pwede din the contract is, tapos prove fraud. So, ito lang siya. Contract is prove fraud. Para mas madali matandaan. 26. Okay. Yan. The settlement option provisions will provide all of the following except. So, pwede natin dito except, no? Ito keyword natin except, tapos yung keyword natin for the answer beneficiary on request. Except dash beneficiary on request. Okay? Next is 28. So, purchase, pwede natin dito, policy owner, the advantage of, tapos ilagay natin dito, premiums outlay. So, ang keyword natin dito is advantage of, and keyword for the answer is premiums outlay. 29. Okay. In certain situation, the company file interpleader actions with the court of law. The remedy is used to, so ano dito? Same insurance proceeds. So, pwede dito remedy. No? So, remedy dash same insurance proceeds. Yun lang ba? Yan. Yun lang siya yung unique sa lahat ng choices. Statement is false. Grows very fast. Diba? Statement is false. Grows very fast. Okay? Yeah. 31. 31. Insurable interest. His mistress. Insurable interest. His mistress. That's a 32. Collective provisions are the basic coverage provided by the life insurance policies may be supplemented by a separate provision that provides coverage for accidental amounts or of different nature. Collectively, these provisions are known as riders. Collectively, these provisions are riders. Which of the following statements regarding insurance premiums is false? So false, grace period. Diba? Na hindi, kasi merong grace period din dito. So, ang pwede nating ilagay dito is paid in grace period. Yan. Huwag niyong kalimutan ilagay yung paid in the grace period. Paid in the grace period. Okay? 34, policy owner endowment policy. Policy owner endowment policy. Okay? So, insurance company may. So, pwede dito, buy the interest. Insurance company may buy the interest. Kasi unique siya. Hindi siya katulad sa ibang choices. Yan. Incontestability, enforce for 2 years. Enforce, dapat ang ilagay natin dito ha. Enforced for 2 years. Okay? 37. Follow it. Correct. Kung correct, at any time. Ganun lang. Correct at any time. 38. The insurer will pay. No, the insurer will pay misstatement of age. Yan. The insurer will pay misstatement of age. 39. The company may ulit, insurance company may loan by the interest or interest. Kasi siya lang yung unique yan para mas madali yung matandaan. Kung gusto nyo na mas ano pa talaga, mas detailed, loan by the interest. 40. Yeah. Generally specifies policy is renewed. Generally specifies dash policy is renewed. Okay? So, except. Ito naman pwede natin except underwriting the risk. Or pwedeng the risk na lang para mas madali. So, except dash the risk. Oh. So, pero pag nag-ano kayo nito, guys ha, pag nag-review kayo nito, dapat meron kayong kasabay. No? Tapos, ipabasa nyo sa kanya yung buong question. Then, pag narinig nyo na yung keyword, dapat alam nyo na yung answer. Ganun siya. So, mas maganda pa rin na may partner pag nagre-review. Okay? Tapos, dito, beneficiary is usually the minus the unpaid premiums. Hindi. Meron pa rin siya. So, face amount. Face amount ito. Face amount of the policy. So, ito dapat siya. The face amount of the policy minus the unpaid premiums. The face amount. So, ito siya talaga dapat yung buong tandaan nyo. Okay? Life insurance guarantees cash benefits for all of the following except educational fund. So, except educational fund. Okay? So, pwede na dito, period stated in the policy. Yan. So, will be paid. Ito siya yung unique. Will be paid. So, pwede natin dito, under an endowment policy. Itong first na statement, under an endowment policy, will be paid. Okay? So, dito naman, so, country by, pwede na itong country by. Country by, then all of the above. Pag may nakita na kayong country by, all of the above ng answer. Okay? Yan. So, a yearly renewable term life insurance policy generally specifies that, and then policy is renewed. Policy is renewed. Parang naulit na tong question na to eh. Specifies that policy is renewed. 48, borrows on a policy. So, current interest, yeah, ano siya? Unique siya. So, borrows on a policy dash current interest. Okay? Insurance policy except contract clause. An entire contract clause. So, insurance policy, exempt ulit. Meron siyang exempt. So, an entire contract clause. 50. So, ito siya. All of the following terms, policies can be sold on a basic policy contract except 6 months or interim term. Ito na siya. Interim term. Except interim term. 51. So, pwede na, a housewife without gainful employment applies 500,000 life coverage, 500,000 life coverage. Which of the following should the agent do? Pwede na ito siya lahat. Examine the adequacy of the husband's insurance coverage. Okay? So, dito na. Mas madali na ito siya agad, oh. Kasi meron ng, for the true or false, mas madali na dito actually yung paghahanap natin ng paano siya sagutan kasi nandito na yung mga keywords or mga key numbers na kailangan nating tandaan. So pag nakita natin itong 65 and 20, false na siya agad. Okay? Pag nakita natin yung the largest amount, false pa rin siya. Diba? So pag nakita natin dito yung has been exhausted, so false siya. So pag nakita natin itong 118, false pa din. So pag nakita natin itong 50, false pa din siya. And then pag hindi natin siya nakita sa the rest ng mga questions, ibig sabihin yan, true yung tanong. Statement. Okay? So, yun na siya guys. Do you have any questions so far? Meron bang unclear or meron bang hindi ba ano siya, mas effective ba siya sa inyo para sa pagre-review nyo? Okay. Meron na ba kayong copy nito lahat? Itong 65 to 20 amount exhausted. Yan. Meron naman kayong lahat, ano, di ba? Copy ng latest natin na reviewer. Everyone? Yes, meron. Okay. Yan. Okay, meron. Good. So, yung ginagawa ko dito, lalo na yung ano, medyo matagal pa yung examination ko. Ang ginagawa ko dito na diskarte, no, para hindi ako mabombard sa isang araw. Every day, I study at least 10 questions per exams. No, so, minamaster ko yung 10 questions na yon per exam para hindi mabombard yung utak ko sa more than 50 questions a day. So, pwede nyo siyang gawing strategy. Let's say, for example, 1 to 10 this today para sa variable and 1 to 10 din for the traditional, and then i-master nyo siya lahat yung 10 questions per exam, and then the next day yung another 10 questions ka ulit yung i-master mo para mas madali yung matandaan. Okay? So, ganun yung ginawa ko before pag medyo matagal pa yung examination. Pag ganito, na crunch time na especially those who are going to take the exam this coming Saturday, so lahat na ng questions yung pinag-aaralan ko in one sitting. Pero by batch pa din siya. Actually, by batch pa din siya. By batch yung aral ko. Para hindi masyadong overwhelming yung mga question and informations. First 10 questions, then the next day, another 10 question, the next day, another 10 question, and so on and so forth, para hindi tayo mabombard ng mga information and questions. Can we receive po a recording of this, UM? Sure, no? So, isi-send ko to siya sa mga leaders natin para meron tayong maging basis para sa review. Okay? So, how is it so far, guys? Kamusta naman po yung ano natin? Yung review? Stop record.